Sun Valley. Welcome to Sun Valley. We're gonna go get tested, and we're checking the sound levels on this microphone and GoPro, and we're gonna check the color, and we'll make adjustments as needed. Damn! Check out that Supra. All over you, Manny. Damn, that thing's ugly. So is your car. Way. No mames, way. No mames. The one on freaking Roscoe is probably way faster. Alright, mark the time, guys. What time is it? Check out the clock. 2:40. 2:40 right now. We had just gotten in line. So let's see. How long do you guys think it's worth to wait in line for food or in and out in general? Let me know. Let's see. Hey, look, some shitty cars. Record those shitty cars there. What kind of car is that, honey?
I don't know.
Name those 3 cars.
Honda.
Honda? Okay. Honda what?
Civic.
Okay. Yeah, Honda Civic. How about the one behind it? I ran over the cone. Oh, pendejo. You saw how he cut him off?
No.
Super slow. Oh, he cut off his buddy though. Oh, pendejo. Alright. We're gonna try not to block the freeway. It's 2:45. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Alright, you're live on the vlog. What's up?
Oh, shit. Hey, Andy's upset that you started a blog and you didn't consult him before you did.
Oh, yeah? Why?
Because he started a blog not too long ago.
Oh, yeah, I know. It's Vlog Dog.
So he thinks that you're trying to steal his viewers.
I am trying to steal
And
his
his
viewers.
subscribers.
I know, I am. Homeboys come out with like one video and
he thinks that they're gonna go to you, so he's upset
oh,
about it.
they are gonna go to me.
Just a quick question for you. Do you know a cheap place that sandblasts?
Man, a cheap place at Sandblast. All right, bro.
Place that sandblasts?
So this is what you do. You have an air compressor?
I do.
Do you have a place where you can get real messy?
What's real messy?
You're gonna
from 1 to 5.
You're gonna get sand in your ass crack.
Oh fuck. Andy, I'm unsubscribing from Rock Dog and I'm subscribing to Kelvin.
That sounds about right. But I'm testing out this GoPro 9. We're just gonna hit up some quick off-roading trails real quick. And you know, I actually ordered sliders.
Oh, you didn't make sliders?
Now it's cheaper.
I don't know you anymore. You have Alexa, you're ordering sliders. Who are you?
I know. I'm a vlogger. I'm a vlogger too.
Right before my eyes.
What can I say? All right, cool, man.
All right, yo.
All right, bye.
Later.
Let me get double.
Would you like onion?
Whole girl, please. And then let me get that lettuce wrapped, protein style. And then can you put extra veggies and chopped chilies?
I don't want mine with extra veggies.
Been waiting for 21 minutes now. And here we are, still in line. It's 3:12. So about 32 minutes. Okay. There's our vegetables. And the time is now 3:13. Okay, so just recording the Hero 9, which should have active stabilization. Wow, that guy was delivering pizza, curbside delivery. I mean, so if you're homeless and you order a pizza,
They'll deliver.
what do you just give them the street number or cross streets and have them meet you outside, or what?
I guess. I don't know.
Any thoughts, impressions?
Of what?
Were
Of
you?
Of here? It looks kind of sus.
Yeah.
Looks a little sus.
Sun's going down. Recently burned. Then we got the Lexus. Okay, so we're here testing out the GoPro, and maybe some of you have a question about this cool t-shirt. Check out that cool t-shirt.
Everyone's been asking me.
Everyone's been asking me about this t-shirt. I mean, limited edition. I had my buddy Stephanie Drifts, go follow her on her channel, right? She made it for me a while back ago, but here we are, quick off-road adventure with the dogs.
They're giving you thumbs up.
I know. Honey, you like that car?
No,
Why?
because it's ugly.
Okay. Yeah, I agree.
I'm vlogging the vlog. You like that truck? I think mine's stuck. Can you flip around the camera and see if it records me and Boo-Boo?
Okay, so we're done testing the GoPro. Got some footage. Made sure not to drop it. Went on a quick trail. Wanted to see how the settings were when the sun was setting. We have a crying dog here. Okay. Yum Yum Donuts or Winchell's? I don't know. Es mucho sobra.
I don't know. I always thought they were the same.
7-Eleven or Circle K? Oh, AM PM.
AM PM.
No, AM PM's gross.
Why?
Oh,
I just like that I feel like they're cleaner.
I don't know. Have you guys had a hot dog at AM PM versus a hot dog at
Do
7-Eleven?
they still sell food?
Yeah. The sandwiches, and I mean, I haven't eaten there in a while, but man. Like, I could eat 7-Eleven hot dogs every day. I'm fine with that. But AM PM?
Yeah. No, I guess you're right. No,
Shit
you're
is crusty. That shit stays
you
in
know
there
why?
for days.
You know why I like it more, but it's something that they don't even do anymore?
What?
They used
Chili
to have,
cheese?
no, they used to have soft serve there when we were little. Do you remember that?
Mm-mm.
I remember that.
It was called
did
a
I make it up?
Slurpee.
Did I make that up? Maybe I did make it up.
Yeah,
Do they still
'cause-
have Slurpees?
Yeah, they still have Slurpees.
Ices?
Slurpees. AM PM was icy.
Well, that's what
Slurpee
I
is a
mean.
trademark.
No, I mean AM PM.
They only have 2 flavors.
No, I used to think they had
And the
soft
flavors
serve.
aren't even real flavors. The flavors are red and blue. Red and blue's not even a flavor.
It's cherry and blueberry.
I know, but I'm just saying it's just sugar. It's just
Yeah.
water and sugar. I mean, do they have any other flavors? I don't know.
Do? Where?
I don't
At
know.
AM PM or in general?
In general,
They do.
what? What do they have? Orange?
They have Coca-Cola.
Icy Coca-Cola?
Yeah.
Or Slurpee Coca-Cola?
Oh, Slurpee.
See? I
You're
don't
talking
know.
about icy.
I'm talking about icy.
I don't know.
They just have like 2 flavors, right? I don't know.
They used to have them at Kmart. Do you remember that?
Yeah, I do. They used to sell you the cup and then you serve yourself.
Yeah.
If you guys know any other flavors than red and blue for icy, comment down below. Cause
I'm gonna have to look into this.
yeah, even then I wasn't a fan. I don't know. Slurpee though, yeah.
I feel like they taste the same.
No, I think icy is literally what it is. It's ice. And a Slurpee is more of a slush.
I'm pretty sure they're both made in the same machine.
No.
Yeah.
I mean, same type of machine, but whatever. I mean, comment down below, what do you like better? Icies or Slurpees?
What's your favorite Slurpee flavor?
So I used to hate Coca-Cola,
Mm-hmm.
right? And even then today, I think I still, whatever, it's whatever.
Yeah.
But I mean, I don't know, like blue raspberry or pina colada or like cherry. I mean, just, you know what was innovative about that? They used to have different flavors all the time,
Yeah.
right? Different flavors, different straws. They really knew their market,
Yeah.
right? I mean, that's what they're known for. What's for
Yeah.
dinner?
We just had dinner.